Hey there, buddy.
Hey, look.
Yeah, Randall the Rocket.
Let me see. Cause y'all, I was running a 13 last night. Ooh, yeah, that can y'all see that?
No driving Kendra.
No driving Kendra because
You on the track.
yeah,
It's a 12-2.
Oh wait. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Wait. Oh, 12-2. Sorry. Wrong
Don't
thing.
get it done.
12-2. Yeah, I was definitely off. Where that's at? Oh, that's coming from the track?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me see. Let me give it this.
You don't get that. You don't get that. That's my footage.
That's me driving. Yeah.
I need to put it-
yeah.
That's gonna be on my YouTube intro.
No, that ain't your
intro.
YouTube. That's my YouTube intro.
I'm gonna put
The reason why he got the drone. The reason why he got the drone out here is because of me.
That's a good intro shot though.
No, that is. And then I want to like cut it into like. No. You got your Hellcat
Figure out what
things
time
into
they
it.
judging though?
3
Actually,
o'clock.
What time they judge? Huh?
3 o'clock.
That's what time they gonna judge or it's over?
Oh, I think that's what time it's over. I'm trying to watch you race. I'm trying to see what happened to that guy down there.
Video went down the track.
It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna call you when I'm finna go. Take the scooter. His name's Kevin. Go to the DJ booth and ask him what time is car show judging in.
All right.
I got a racing video too. It's choppy on my phone, but when I put it on the computer.
Oh, okay. That's cool. All right, y'all. I'm finna go see what time they judging. So Randall don't get me disqualified or not judged. No, I'm not. You know what? You were a hater.
Why you was
What's the deal, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kendra. If y'all was rocking with me last night, then y'all saw us hitting the racetrack up here at D-Jack. If you didn't watch that, go watch that video before y'all start tapping into this one because you gotta get filled up on everything. We finna enjoy this car show. It's gonna be a good day. I appreciate y'all. The raffle, I think. Randall is running the Jeep today because I ran last night. My numbers was too high, so he just making sure I'm dialed in good. She stayed in there. I think that might be her. I think that's gonna be her. That's her. That's her. All right, he said he running 10s, y'all. This Jeep. See, y'all, that's what I need to work on is being able to. That thing is gone, okay? That thing is gone. Man. See, that's what I need to learn, how to get my RPMs up and get it ready, get off the line. That's why I jumped on the red last night. He jumped. He jumped. I'm glad I don't have to do burnout, y'all, because that cleanup is a pain. I ain't, I do not want to have to do that. That's the lady that was behind me on the this old school over here was behind me when I was getting the tech card. It's a lady driven too. So Randall just got off the track, and I gotta work on my driving skills. That's all I gotta say, because sis should be wearing no 13s, but y'all know I ain't no true race car driver. I gotta figure all that out. But he got me back in time for car show judging. Y'all can't talk. I need to go eat. I'm so hungry. So he just got the underhood good. Gonna wipe down the wheels just a tad bit more. I gotta figure out something to do with the insides, because I know I'm gonna lose points for that because it's dirty, but it's all good. Better than having it closed. I'd rather have 1 point than 0. Y'all, they always trying to race. Who y'all got? They did. Oh, Jose be cheating. Jose be giving himself extra momentum.
With that supercharger, I just got on my shit.
Here we go.
Oh, him Regalo?
That boy Scat Pack is mad.
Take a look at that.
Oh, hold on, let's see. Oh, he sure did. He sure did. Alright, y'all, they clowning around right now. We just having a good time.
Hold on.
Oh, hold on. We got a different kind of scooter.
Hey, everybody.
Mopar Mafia in the building.
I don't know why you move way over there.
Fuck about your battery. One kick, 2 kicks.
Bruh.
Hey, everybody look this way. Right this way. Let me get out y'all race place. Got you.
Get your battery.
Bro, they a mess. Alright, so we're gonna walk around, see a few other cars, because I think we might be wrapping it up here pretty soon. Hopefully they get ready to do the awards and be out of here. Let's see who we got. I know Hemi Gang was out here, so I definitely want to connect with them. And then there was a few other folks.
All bracket race drivers that did at the track.
Yeah, they're coming around.
Oh, we didn't know where they were judged, if they were judging that.
So this one's got a forged carbon full wrap. Oh, it's got a reflective. De los Dos Dias, did I say that right? Day of the Dead. Kind of like this. 6'4" Huckleberry. It's got reflective there too. It's got the slicks. Oh, he running nitrous. All right. I see ya. This the Hemi Gang fam. So they always showing me love. I always tell y'all, if you're not in Houston, I can definitely ship out. Got the banner with the eyebrow. Got it hooked up with decals. Looking good on the black on black. Kino, we did the color match. FA green with a splash of yellow. Then we also did him some SRT decals to put on his brakes. He got that light up wicker bill, so that's what's up. Got a few folks out here. wheels. Something about that Go Mango.
Sedan, Andrew Howard, 2021 Dodge.
Got that gas money, got that gas money.
Hold up, get the y'all ready for him to come back in. Oh, yeah?
Let me hold that.
I'll put that in my pocket.
For Sedan, Jonathan Elizalde, 2017 Dodge Charger.
Yeah.
Okay, I got 2 weeks. Okay.
2 weeks.
Sedan is Trisha Lakey. First place for the truck SUV class is Noel Marino, 2019 Ram 1500.
Probably so.
I like that one.
Second place,
no, that's
Kendra Carter, 2004. Third place, Janique Marino, 2018 Jeep Trackhawk. Okay, so the last awards for the car show segment, Best in Show, Superman.
So, they got a belt. What he just told me was, no matter what happened, that we still gonna be good. We still good, bro. All right. Team on the back, baby.
There you go.
2 years in a row. See that? You left us up. You left us up. See that? You know what I'm saying? You left us up. Yeah.
And coming in second for Best in Show is Randall with Mod FX.
I don't know what to say. Jose, send it to me.
Your thing.
There you go, man.
Wait, where damn Tony at? Where Tony at? Randall, hold on, hold that shit up on your head.
And it's blue.
Look here, brother. Give me the belt or you ain't getting brother. Give me the belt or you ain't getting something. Hey, y'all. Congratulations, bro. That's for your neck. That's for your neck. That's the neck. Put it on your neck.
There you go.
You covering me up.
Huh?
You supposed to be here.
Hear it. Look, he covering me up. I said, stop it.
You gotta put it on like a choker, Randall.
Okay, look guys, look.
Hey, hold up.
The champ.
Jose and Rosie. I need y'all in this
I'm
picture.
supposed to be in it, y'all. Hey, hold on, man. I'm supposed to be in it.
He selfie doing a selfie. Look. Yeah. I love your second plate.
Oh, wait.
Look here, bro. Is that it?
What you want now? What you want now?
That's it?
We're waiting to get the results for the dial-in bracket.
Dial-in bracket.
Man, I knew I should have left at 1 o'clock.
Don't be
Create my
sore
own car group.
He's such a sore.
Mod FX held me down. You see how little Randall, you see how little, that's a choker.
Kendall can put a chain
Randall.
on it and drag him around.
Hey Randall, let me see you put the belt on. What happened?
I say put the belt on.
It's too little, man.
It does.
Look. It's the great value. I got the great value one. I got the ATB brand. Sam's choice.
Alright y'all, so just gonna wrap up the video. Y'all done seen the awards. It has been a really good day. Your girls taking home a trophy for second place. So that's what it's all about. Coming out here, having fun, being with family, car community, friends, y'all.
They cheated. They cheated.
Look, you got a lollipop. There you go.
I did it! First place, sucker!
I'm gonna wrap up the video. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. I'm telling y'all, I got most stuff on the way. I might have been MIA for a week, but y'all, I'm telling you, I'm always working. So I'll let you girl if you need me for any decals, banners. I got you. I ship. I do all of that. But we gonna probably have a good time tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna record that, but until next time, I'll see y'all later. Why you gotta be so salty?
Man, dude.
But then when you won and we on road part, this is red. First, this is red. This is really he won.
Hey, you know what? At least you won. It was on time today, though.
Right.
Oh, sorry, Rosie.
I think Cody got best fall in show today. You earned the trophy for that. You played for that one. Hey. Yeah, but you played for that one. Blood, sweat, tears. Put it on your shoulder. Stop calling it cute.
It's so manly. So manly.
It's not cute. Cause she gonna kill that boy.
Look, cause I be in the dog. It's cause I be in the doghouse. That's why. Yeah.
Let me see Randall.
Don't post, I do not authorize posting this picture.
Too late. Too late.
Not authorized.
Y'all need to pay out. Y'all need to pay out.
I didn't know that was real.
First of all, I want to give a shout out, thanks to all my fans and all my supporters. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. All right, man. 2022, we coming back. It's gonna be even better, baby.
The one quick thing I want to say, thank you for coming out and supporting this thing. We have Wham, we love Wham. We have Lone Star, we have Lone Star. There's nothing here in San Antonio. That's why D-Jack is here. D-Jack means Dodge Jeep All Out Call Out. I'm calling out everybody. It's not just about the racing. You saw that. It's about coming out. It's a community, having a great time. You want to race, great. Do the car show. You got the baddest house in Texas. We got barbecue. We got music. We got the Mopar Shuffle. What more do you want? Let me know. It's gonna keep getting better every year. Mod Effects, thanks for coming out and being support. Last year, with everything going on, with the pandemic, with the movement, with the rain, with the stress, everything, you guys came out and showed up. I will forever be grateful for you guys for coming out. Thank you very much. Thank you to Central Texas Hemis. Same thing with y'all. I hang out with y'all up in North Austin. I love you guys to death. Mopars of Central Texas. I can go on and on. 392 gang, Hemi gang, LA Neckbreakers. They were here. I don't know where they went. The charity was for the LA Neckbreakers. These guys were sustained a lot from Hurricane Ida. So thank you for doing the charity. Those that donated for the cause. Thank you very much. 100% of the proceeds are going to go to them. If I didn't call your name out right now for just giving props, it's not on purpose. I just want to take enough time to say thank you.
Oh, now, right?
So, Jody, what happened? Because I remember, like,
Dude, it was a technicality.
Like 2 minutes ago, you were just on camera, like.
I gave him $300 right now just so he could stop crying. Yeah.
The lollipop wasn't
Yeah,
good.
the lollipop next to it.
Hey, he just counted wrong. It was too many pieces of paper. It was stuck together. So I just want to say I'm sorry to everything, all the stuff I said.
Yeah.
Oh, I did go for a recount. Yeah, look, I get that guy. Yeah. Hey, Joe, there you go.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. I want to thank all my fans.
Hey, you want that belt? Y'all should do a boxing match right here.
You don't want that smoke.
He was just over here stomping his feet. Bruh.
Ooh, I'm glad he got a trophy, so he ain't got to talk about it for the rest of his life.
Oh, he was gonna talk about that.
All right, y'all. That is officially a wrap. I appreciate y'all tapping in. It's a good day. This is Tide. And
What's up? Now get your merch. Your merch came out.
I like them FX hats too. That look good. And it's a mesh pack, so y'all gotta make sure y'all hit them out FX for that. But we out of this joint.
How many people we gotta take your picture?